कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना तो पड़ता है, तो आज शुरुआत करें वैसे।
Hello and welcome to this episode of Market क्या लगता है। Excellent week it was. Weekly targets were completed in one day, first day, that is Monday, and throughout this week the market action and reactions were amazing. It's a sideways to bearish kind of a market, so the swings formation and playing through these swings, identifying the reversal of the swings is pretty amazing kind of a thing that's going on right now in indices. Let's quickly take a summary of previous week. And last week, as we had seen, Nifty range for coming week would be 14,900 to 14,800. If it breaks below 14,800, we may see 14,500 level very quickly. We retraced up till 14,275-76 level, and it was an amazing fall. A quick profit generating trades on Monday. Within first half an hour, these levels were breached, and then we could again see a rally and Nifty comfortably sitting at 14,500 level right now. Same with the Bank Nifty index. The range which was defined in the previous week was around 33,000 and 32,500, and as we broke below 32,500, it was mentioned that 32,000 can be seen very quickly, and it happened so the first hourly candle on Monday. So this was the summary for the previous week. Today morning's message on WhatsApp group. So on Prime group, this is very interesting. So 14,500 level for Nifty looks like a comfort zone. We always talk about people who procrastinate, that this is my comfort zone and I don't want to move out of it, something like that. So Nifty currently at a comfort zone of 14,500, and since the day it breached 14,500 for the very first time, that is 12th of January 2021, more than 3 months now, and even today Nifty is trading at 14,600 something, right? So that's pretty amazing. So it's a consolidation to a slow downtrend. Now there is nothing called as a slow downtrend, but it is lack of momentum, and that's why it is appearing as if it is making a slower move on the downside. So far Nifty 14,300 level is protected, and even after a massive fall on Monday, this level could not be breached on closing basis, and again reclaim 14,500 on closing basis on the next day, with the expected bullish bias to 14,800 and 15,000. So these are the levels that I'm expecting in coming week. The range for Nifty would be around 14,500 and 14,900 for the day today. We are talking about this range, and Nifty remained between this range for the entire day today. The range for Bank Nifty would be 32,000 and 32,500, and also 33,000. Am I getting too ambitious? Today was not the day for this kind of a bullish action, but in a way a foundation of 32,000 or 14,500 is already being laid in last couple of days, and that might result into a bullish bias for the coming week, right? So let's go to chart and try and understand how these things are going to happen. When we are talking about Nifty, look at this wick, lower wick, all the way down till 14,300, and if I take you on hourly chart, now this is the first hour on Monday, which actually gave us indication and a low of around 14,384, and then on the same day the level of 14,300 was achieved. In the first hourly candle, our target of 14,500 was completed. Now looking at this entire structure here, as you can see, this structure is a bearish to sideways kind of action, and this is the rectangle that we had drawn on the other day to mark or check if it is being able to break down. So price never opened in this, it gapped down. It was a massive gap down on Monday, and then we could see the action panning out. So as of now, what we can see is Nifty, this level is protected, right? So 14,300 was protected on a closing basis. And now we are comfortably above those levels, and right now at about 14,590, Nifty again entering into a comfort zone. There are two ways of looking at it, guys. Let's say Nifty and Bank Nifty, if they are going too much of a sideways kind of a action, if they are not giving expected kind of a move, then in that case what we can do is you can just avoid trading Nifty, Bank Nifty for a while. Avoid indices and focus on individual stocks. So there are amazing stocks. There are certain pharmaceutical stocks, there are certain banking stocks, there are certain FMCG stocks like Asian Paint did well today. So you can identify these kind of stocks and start trading in them instead of looking at Nifty and Bank Nifty. But let's say some of you are like me who loves to observe Nifty and Bank Nifty, then you can keep your focus on these indices. So my expectation right now says that from this low that we can see and the high that we can see on today's day, the target that is expected is 14,819. Now this is first line of resistance, I would say. So I'm just dragging this target down. Don't mind me dragging this target down because now this 15,000 looks really difficult. When we are looking at this action, Nifty hourly target of 14,819 is something that I'm expecting right now. 819. Okay, so this is my first target for the day, and the second target that I am expecting is 14,975. So these are two targets that I am expecting or I am looking at. I'm just removing this rectangle now. Now the purpose is served of this rectangle. And these are the two levels that we are looking at. Quickly coming on to Bank Nifty. So even in case of Bank Nifty, this is a very strong hammer kind of a candle. And if we go on to hourly chart to see a similar kind of action, the gap down was massive and the price target was completed within first 1 hour. Similarly, price never opened within this range. So from there, we could see that the price was bearish, and even after making this brief bullish attempt, right now we see that the price is more of a bearish as compared to Nifty. Now, do we need to get bearish all the way right now at this point in time? I don't think so. We have a very good support at 32,000 mark, and from that 32,000 mark, I think that this level of 32,816 can be one good target for us. 32,816. Bank Nifty hourly target. I'm removing the word bearish. $816, and the second target will be this 33,440. I'm altogether removing this word bullish or a bearish because we know that we have a bullish bias right now. So the target will be as per that. So it is 440.55. Superb. So these are the two targets that I'm looking at in this week. See, overall, we are in a bear run. We are in a bearish correction, and that bearish correction, during that bearish correction, the rallies, the retracements, bullish retracements will be rapid. They are going to be rapid. But don't get fooled by these rapid rallies. Also, equity investment scenarios must be taken into consideration with a lot of precaution, and the position sizing should be very proper. You don't take a bigger position which you cannot manage virtually. So I'm removing this rectangle as well and keeping these two targets in front of us. That's it. Let's make it simple. Again, this week is a truncated expiry. We have a holiday of Ram Navami on the account of Ram Navami in this week. So we'll have only 4 trading days. So trade wisely, and these are the bullish targets as per that we'll be trading. I wish you all the best for the trading time ahead. Do take precautions, right? And use social distancing, wear your mask, sanitize your hands. All these things you know, but still, as a word of caution, I'm suggesting take care of your loved ones, take care of your family. All the best. Guys, I'm signing off. Thank you so much.